Many regions dwellers are enjoying this holiday Friday in Friuli Venezia Giulia. How are you enjoying the San Stefano Day in Trieste?
I'm enjoying it by walking around the city and staying with my family because I actually live in Milan, so it's nice to be here on Christmas.
Well, I just arrived here. Yeah, it's very windy. I wasn't expecting this. But yeah, we're planning to walk around the city, then go, of course, for a pizza in Spritz. And yeah, hopefully enjoy some sun.
Just having a stroll with my daughter and my niece and a friend kids. So just a family day, normal family day. And yes, I had leftovers. Still have the leftovers at home, so it's fine.
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, this wind is like, sweeping off us on our feet, and it's really lovely to enjoy, walking around. We are all very well dressed, so that's the secret to enjoying the weather as it is today.
Yeah, we live in Trieste by years, so we are very happy to enjoy our bora. We like the wind. It's too cold many times, but we love go to the pier, take a little walk. Yeah, we're really well dressed because there are a lot of wind today, but we enjoy also the sun because you have the sun on your back, you are warm, and so it's lovely.